It's day one on Mars. The ground feels silent, the air almost non-existent. Every step I take reminds me, this is not Earth anymore.
This will be home for now, a bubble of life in a dead world. Every breath inside this suit is borrowed time, but with a little power and a sealed door, there's a chance to make this place ours, at least for the night.
The sunset here is blue, not red like home. Strange how something so different can still feel so peaceful.
Every direction I look, there's nothing but endless red valleys. It's beautiful and terrifying at the same time.
Every rock, every grain of dust holds secrets older than humanity itself. Somewhere beneath this surface, Mars might still be alive.
The wind here doesn't just move sand. It speaks. It tells the story of a planet that once had oceans. And maybe life.
The stars look closer here. Maybe because there's no one else between them and me. Just silence. And infinity.
Another day begins on Mars. Maybe one day, others will walk here too. For now, it's just me and the red planet.